Toraja is Department of Commercial Shipping and Port Management Level 3 at Indonesia Maritime Academy IP Makassar. So right now I will present my final exam with the title job interview. I hope all of you guys will enjoy my video and happy watching.
I'm Shakira, the hiring manager.
Yes, that's correct. Hello, Ms. Nabila. It's a pleasure to meet you. Here's my CV. Maybe you wanna see before we start.
Okay, let me check. So, we were quite impressed with your background. So, we are excited to learn more about you today. Did you find the office okay?
Yes, the direction were very clear. I found the place without any trouble at all.
I'm glad to hear that. Well, before we dive into the technical details, would you like some water or coffee?
Nah, I'm fine. I'm ready to begin whenever you are.
Perfect. Let's get started then. To begin, could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Of course, let me introduce myself to you. So, my full name is Desrenti Marsutemang, but my friends, my families call me Eci. I was born and raised in Toraja, which shaped me into a hardworking person and a passionate person. I graduate from SMA 1 Toraja Utara in 2021. Outside the professional life, I am a passionate person who enjoy music and sports like badminton and volleyball. These activities can indirectly train me into always think positively and be cheerful.
Okay, next, if you don't mind sharing, tell me about your family.
I am from a happy family. I have two brothers and one sister. My father is an entrepreneur and my mother is a civil servant. We are very close and they have been my biggest support system in my career and of course in my life.
So, could you tell me about your educational background?
I graduate from SMA 1 Toraja Utara in 2021. After that, I continue my studies at Indonesia Maritime Academy IP Makassar in 2023 and I've been completed my studies in 2026.
Next question. What makes you want to work in this company?
As a fresh graduate, I wanna join this company because I saw it as the perfect place to first professional work environment. I wanna develop my skills, my responsibility, particularly in teamwork and my technical skills within my field.
And what do you know about this company?
This company operates in the port and logistic administration sector and is known as a professional company. Has a good work system and pays attention to service quality and employee development.
Okay, so great answer. And next, which division do you want to work in?
If possible, I wanted to work in the operational or administrative division because I am interested in work that requires precision, coordination, and responsibility, and is directly related to the company's work decision.
So, after 5 or 10 years, what position do you want to get?
After 5 years, I hope to have mastered my position thoroughly and be entrusted with greater responsibility. In 10 years, maybe I would like to advance to a more strategic position, such as supervisor or coordination, so I can contribute to making a decision.
Now, tell me about your strength.
My strength is strong desire to learn. I adapt quickly to new environments and I am open to feedback for continue the development.
We all have areas to improve, so tell me about your weakness.
Sometimes I overly caution in making decisions, but to overcome this, I've learned to discuss decision with my team and superiors to ensure they remain the sound and efficient.
So could you tell me about your previous work experience, if any?
I had an internship experience at PT Samudra Jaya, which helped me understand about responsibility, teamwork, and discipline in the workplace.
What do you do in your recent job?
Currently, I am doing an internship at PT Samudra Jaya. My job is to help with administration, data processing, and support operational activities according to the direction of my superiors.
So for the last, why do you want to move to this company?
I feel that this company can provide challenges and learning that are more in the line with my future career plans, so I am interested in developing with this company.
Well, that covers everything I wanted to ask today. Before we wrap up, do you have any final questions for me?
Thank you. I think we have covered everything. I'm very excited about this possibility of joining your team.
It was a pleasure to speaking with you, Miss Desrianti. Regarding the next steps, we are interviewing a few more candidates this week.
I understand. When can I expect to hear back from the team?
We should reach a final decision by the end of the next week. We will send you an update regarding the outcome of this interview via email. Please make sure to keep an eye on your inbox.
That sounds perfect. I will look out for your email then.
Great. Thank you again for coming today, Miss. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you, Miss Nabila. Have a great day.
You're welcome.
Hello guys, thank you for your time and I hope you will enjoy my video. So see you next time. Bye bye.